Approaching the bottom of the left side menu, we have the Toolbox section. Here you will find a number of interactive tools you can use in your lessons. There are a few subsections listed on the left. The Compose filter will show tools that can be used to compose basic melodies and rhythms. Concept Practice brings up interactives that can be used to reinforce specific concepts, including instrument families, rhythm, and dynamics. Tuners will bring up our virtual instrument tuners for ukulele and guitar. Virtual instruments includes any interactives related to instruments. This can include both instrument sort activities and playable instrument interactives. Visuals sorts for interactives like tone ladders, staff tools, and beat charts. Word Walls shows some word wall activities as well as the word rhythm generator and the word randomizer.